intro. Hey guys, this is Shubh here, and today in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick that how you can call anyone with a fake number for free. So when you will call anyone, your original number will not be revealed, but it will show a fake number. So without any further ado, let's begin. For this trick, you need to install an application from the link in the description. It's called Free Call, and just open it up. Here you will see an interface like this. Now what you have to do in order to make a call is that you have to earn some credits. To earn credits, you'll have to do some tasks. Like here, if you tap on tap to get credits, an ad will pop and randomly some credits will be credited. Now never choose set phone number because you don't have to reveal that. You can watch video ads and you can do daily check-in in order to earn credits. The best way to earn a huge amount of credits is by inviting your friends. Just share the link of this app with your friends and you will get 5000 credits when your friend will install the app. Try all the options to earn credits in your free time, and finally when you have an ample of credits, you are eligible to make a free fake call. Just go to the call option, choose country code, write down the phone number, and that's it. Every time you will call, it will show a different number. So that's it for this one. I hope you found this one helpful. Share this trick in your Instagram stories, and I will see you guys in the next cool video. Peace out.